Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are a project or product manager, you probably spend a good part of your day inside a project management tool, whether that's Jira, Asana, Trello, ClickUp, Monday, or something else. But here's the big question. Is your PM tool actually helping you move your projects forward, or is it quietly slowing you down? Today, we're going to break down the advantages and disadvantages of common PM tools and help you figure out if yours is a game changer or a roadblock. Hi, I'm Susanne, and I have launched numerous products and projects successfully, often brought in to turn around a troubled project. I share knowledge to help product and project managers become successful. Let's start with the positives because let's be real, these tools exist for a reason. Organization at scale. They give you one central place to track tasks, deadlines, dependencies, and updates. That beats juggling spreadsheets, Slack messages, and sticky notes. Transparency. A good PM tool lets everyone see who's working on what, which reduces bottlenecks and duplicated work. Collaboration features, comments, tagging teammates, attaching documents, everything lives in context, no more hunting through 12 email chains. Reporting and insights. Many tools let you generate burn down charts, velocity reports, or dashboards so stakeholders can see progress without you creating a deck every week. Used well, these features keep teams aligned, help spot risks early, and make you look like the person who has everything under control. Now, let's talk about the downsides. Because for every PM who swears their tool is a lifesaver, there's another who feels trapped by it. Admin overhead, updating tickets, moving cards, logging hours. Sometimes it feels like you're spending more time managing the tool than managing the project. Onboarding pain. Some tools are so complex that new team members need a mini training course before they can even add a task. Accessibility issues. Can clients, executives, or non technical stakeholders actually use the tool? Or do you end up creating duplicate reports and slides just to share information? Feature bloat. The bigger platforms promise endless customization, but too many features can overwhelm teams and create friction instead of flow. False sense of progress. Just because everything looks neat on a board doesn't mean the work is actually moving forward. Sometimes teams spend more time making things look good in the tool than delivering value. So, how do you know if your PM tool is working for you and not the other way around? Ask yourselves these questions. Does the tool make it easier or harder to communicate updates? Are you spending more than 15 to 20% of your time just on tool admin? Can stakeholders outside your team easily get the visibility they need? Does the tool adapt to your workflow? Or are you constantly bending your workflow to fit the tool? Do your team members actually like using it, or do they avoid it whenever possible? If you're answering harder, too much time, or they hate it, your tool is probably hurting you more than helping. At the end of the day, project and product management tools should empower your team, not weigh them down. The best tool is the one that strikes the right balance between structure and flexibility and that your team can actually stick with. So take a step back this week and audit your own setup. If the tool is helping, double down and make the most of it. If it's hurting, maybe it's time to simplify adjust your workflow, or even switch platforms. What about you? Is your tool helping or hurting? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow PMs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.